Ya, perilaku burung tukan di alam liar. Jadi mereka itu lebih suka melompat dari satu dahan ke dahan yang lain. Let's jump. Very good, Maya. Please be applause for Maya. And also our participants. Thank you so much. Our magnificent ring hornbill. Ladies and gentlemen, up there we have Yuna, our magnificent ring hornbill. Where are you? Oh, there you go. I think Bingo is ready. You ready? Down here, Bingo. Coming. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Moving to the right side now. So, how does it feel, Titan?
Good.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, it seems like you really love it, but we need to hold the bird until the end of the show. Can you help me do that? Just 2 hours. 2 hours. Just kidding. And now it's time for Bingo to go back to the keeper. Thank you so much for Bingo and also our participants. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the difference between the male and the female hornbill. While the male has a yellow pouch under its beak, and the female with a blue pouch. Now, let's see how this beautiful bird catches the food in the air. And catching, wow, very fast. Di sini kita ada burung julang emas yang jantan tanpa leher berwarna biru. Beside of eating fruits, great hornbill also find another source of food, such as insects that can be found around the forest. Their long and strong beak is used to make a hole inside a tree. They will make a nest in the tree hole and cover it with mud, with a little entrance to feed the babies. And when the babies grow old enough, they will break the mud and fly out. Selain memakan buah-buahan, burung julang emas juga suka mencari serangga yang berterbangan dalam hutan. So ladies and gentlemen, did you know that ring hornbill is a sacred bird in Borneo Island of Indonesia? Because they are considered to deliver messages from the spirits of their ancestors. And they're also a symbol of pride. Burung julang emas merupakan burung yang disakralkan di Pulau Kalimantan karena mereka dipercaya dapat mengirimkan pesan dari arwah nenek moyang mereka. Dan mereka juga merupakan simbol dari kebanggaan. So ladies and gentlemen, that was a beautiful performance by our Hornbills family. Let's give applause. We use this act is for demonstration only. Although most snakes lay eggs, but some to give birth to the live young. The incubation takes within 1 until 3 months, and when the babies are ready to hatch, they will make a switch by using its egg tube and come out of the egg. Like third. So ladies and gentlemen, here we have Jerry. Thank you. Our beautiful corn snake. They're southeastern and central of America. And they call it corn snake because they usually can be found in the cornfield. Jadi, ular jagung yang berasal dari Amerika.
बच्चों को डर नहीं लग रहा
Dan mereka itu makan ular jagung karena mereka sering ditemukan di perkebunan jagung. In contrast to the corn snake, we have a special guest for you today. So now, please welcome Lucas, our beautiful chicken. Maybe come from behind you. It can reach up to 10 meters in length and can weigh over 120 kilograms. They can be found in Southeast Asia, like Indonesia, including the island of Java, Sumatra, and Borneo. And they live in trees and also in trees. They feed on a variety from small to medium sized mammals, and also birds.